Good morning, children. Today we'll be starting with a new chapter, that is, just a minute. Lesson number 3, The Grateful Tenant. Okay, so it's in page number 31. Please open your textbook, follow with me, and listen well, children. Okay. Grateful means to be thankful, to be grateful about the stuff people have done to you. And tenant means one who pays rent to stay in a place. Okay, so if we are staying in a house and paying rent for that, means we are the tenants of that house. Okay, so the chapter name is The Grateful Tenant. Okay, so, a settled home life gives everyone a chance to shine. Read how one man remembers with affection the help that an elderly couple gave him when he was a penniless student. Okay, so this is the story about one person, one man who remembers with affection. With affection, affection means with love. Okay, so with love, he is remembering the help of an elderly couple. Elderly means old. Okay, elderly means old couple who gave him help when he was a penniless student. Penniless means no money, because students are studying, they're not earning money, they're not working, right? So he had very less money when he was studying. Then an elderly couple gave him help. That is what he's remembering in this whole lesson. Okay, so let me start reading this, children. Whatever I have underlined, no, the word with its meaning, just write it down 2 times in homework book. Okay, I won't repeat it again, because at the end of the chapter we'll just finish it off in one class, so it's very less amount of words. Just write down the underlined words with its meaning, and in 2 times, like 2 times in your homework or rough note, whatever. Okay, so here we are speaking about that man who is remembering the old couple, right? So we are speaking, the instance here is Ramesh. The person who we are speaking here is called, that person is called Ramesh. Okay, he and his friend are going for a walk, and this story is when they are speaking, when they are going for a walk. Okay, I went for morning walks every day. I enjoyed the stroll because of the scented breeze that blew from the nearby gardens and also the mild warmth of the early sun. On one such day, I noticed a plaque on the wall near the gate entrance. It had the name of the house Sham Kamal engraved on the polished black granite. Okay, so this person is a friend of Ramesh. Okay, he goes for morning walks every day. Every day he goes for walk. Okay, and he enjoyed the stroll. Stroll means walk only, children. STROLL. Stroll means walk, because of the scented breeze. Okay, scented means like very good smell. Breeze means wind or air, like slow, very soft wind is there, no? That is called breeze. Okay, that blew from the nearby gardens, and also the mild warmth. Mild, MILD, mild means little, LITTLE, little. Okay, warmth of the early sun. Okay, so why he enjoys going to a walk means because there is a very good smelling wind from the nearby gardens and little warmth from the early morning sun. Okay, that is what he's enjoying. He noticed a plaque. Plaque means a nameplate. Okay, nameplate we'll put no, children, in front of our houses. Okay, so that is called a plaque on the wall near the gate entrance. It had the name of the house Sham Kamal. Okay, Sham Kamal. So the house name was Sham Kamal. It was engraved on polished black granite. Okay, engraved means to be carved on stone. Andre ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಂತ. That on that black granite it was carved as Sham Kamal. So I asked Ramesh why he had chosen this name for his home. So this person, no, Ramesh's friend, he is asking Ramesh why he has selected, chosen means select, this name Sham Kamal for his home. So what is Ramesh saying for that? It is a combination of the names of two people who changed my life. The ones I remember, and just a minute. The ones I remember and thank each day, said Ramesh. Sham Kamal stands for Shama Rao and Kamala. Do you remember when I was in Dharwad, I used to stay with an old couple? Okay, so when Ramesh asked, why have you kept your house's name as Sham Kamal, he replies that it is a combination of name of two people who he respects and thanks the most. Okay, so Sham Kamal stands for Shama Rao. This is the old couple's name. Okay, Shama Rao and Kamala are the old couple's name, and he combined it and made it into Sham Kamal. Okay, so he's saying when he was studying, he was staying in Dharwad. Okay, and he used to stay with this old couple as a tenant. Okay, and I remembered there was an elderly couple in Dharwad who used to rent out their outhouse to college students. Ramesh had stayed there for 6 years. So this person is remembering that there was an elderly couple in Dharwad. They used to rent out their outhouse. Outhouse means an extra house inside their compound. Okay, to college students. And Ramesh had stayed there for 6 years. Okay. Ramesh went on. At that time, they supported me wholeheartedly in my decision to study in a bigger town. Shamarao was a retired postmaster and my father's friend. Okay, so when when Ramesh went to Dharwad to study in a college, he came from a small city, but he went on to the big town to study well. Okay, at that time, these people, Shamarao and Kamalabai, were the one who supported him wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly means completely. Okay, Shamarao, this person was a retired postmaster. Postmaster means postman. Okay, and he was also his Ramesh's father's friend. Okay, he gave me a place to stay in. Kamalabai was so selfless that she would share her meals with me. Okay, so Kamalabai was so selfless. Selfless means, the meaning is given in page number 33. Selfless means caring about others, not about oneself. Okay, she used to care about Ramesh more than she would care about herself, and she would share her meals. Meals means food. Okay, Kamalabai would share her food with Ramesh. I enjoyed the meal so much and felt like I was having these meals with my mother. So he felt very happy with Kamalabai when she used to share food with him. He used to feel that he was sharing food with his mother itself. Okay. As Dharwad was very famous for the peda. Remember children, Dharwad peda, it is very famous sweet from Dharwad. Mr. Shamarao always bought pedas. They did not let me go hungry for a single day and treated me like their son. If I was late in paying my college fees, he would lend some money from his meager pension and help me out. Okay. So what Ramesh is saying is the Shamara would care for him as he would care for his son himself. Okay, so when he would be late for paying fees and all, Shamara would help him lend some money. He would give him some money from his meager pension. Meager means small. Okay, people who have retired will get pension, no children. From that small amount also he would help Ramesh. Okay, but so what is the friend saying is, but you used to run errands for them and do odd jobs like going to the post office, buying fruit and vegetables, watering the plants and pumping the water out of the tank. In fact, we used to call you there Man Friday behind your back, he replied. Okay, so what the friend is saying to Ramesh is, I know they helped with money, but in return of that you used to help them also, right? So you don't have to be too grateful. So he is saying that you used to do run errands. Run errands means to do small jobs. Okay, to do small jobs means these two couple are very old, no children, so they can't walk a long time, they can't carry heavy things. So Ramesh used to go to the post office and do their work for them, and buying fruit, vegetables, watering the plants, also pumping the water out of the tank. These are all heavy works was done by Ramesh for them. We used to we means here Ramesh's friends in the college. Okay, so they used to tease him like he was their servant itself. Okay, Man Friday means like servant behind his back. Okay, I don't agree with that, said Ramesh. Think of the old couple. They were not well off, but they went out of their way to help me. Without their help, I do not know where I would have been today. Okay. So what Ramesh is saying is he doesn't agree with that. He didn't feel like he was their servant, even though the couple were little poor. Not well off means poor. Okay, they were poor. They did went out of their way. Went out of their way means like they gave him more help, even though it was not within their limit. Okay, without their help, I do not know where would have been today. Means without their help, he couldn't have finished his studies. But why did you name the house after them? I went back to my original question. Okay, so still this friend is not understanding why Ramesh named his house after them. It was my father's suggestion. He said there are some people who do things out of affection and not just out of curiosity, of duty, and they change your life with love and generosity. Even my children should know their origins of my success. I also want them to understand the gratitude I feel towards Shamarao and Kamalabai, not through mere words but through actions. Okay, so what Ramesh is replying to that question is, he's saying even his father suggested, it was his father's suggestion, because there are some people who help you out of love and affection instead of duty. Okay, see, children, for parents, they think that it's their duty to help their children, so they will help. But Shamarao and Kamalabai were not they were not the parents of Ramesh, but still they helped him out of love and affection, right? Love and generosity. So Ramesh thinks that even his children, Ramesh's children, should remember how he came into this position. Okay, how he is successful today is because of Shamarao and Kamalabai's help. Okay, he just doesn't want them to just listen to him through words. He wants to show it through his actions. By naming the house as Sham Kamal, he is showing his children how he is feeling gratitude towards the old couple. Okay, it is people like Ramesh who reaffirm our faith in humanity. Okay, so Ramesh is saying, like, if we look at Ramesh means he did get help from the old couple, but he is always grateful towards them. Okay, and he named his house their name, with their name also, and he hopes that his children also remembers them. Okay, this is a very good person with great humanity. Okay, so this is what the whole lesson means about grateful tenant. Okay, this chapter, this lesson is written by Sudha Murthy. Okay, Sudha Murthy is the wife of Narayana Murthy, who is the owner and chairman of Infosys. Okay, so I want you to just read about her. I'll give you project also, which you have to submit by within FA2 exam. Okay, for now, for today's, just read the chapter twice and write down the underlined words with their meaning 2 times in your homework. Okay, children, thank you.